p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Orange, or 14 miles east of Greenfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Ethel, Royalston, Phillipston, Templeton, and Gardner. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northern Connecticut and southern Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire.
Elsewhere around the region at 9 p.m. in central Massachusetts.